Operational work versus project work. So we know that the project is a temporary endeavor that has a beginning and an end, and it has a very specific goal that it needs to achieve, whether it's a product, service, or a result, or an improvement, or an upgrade, or an enhancement of that product or that service. So just by that definition, the project work itself is temporary in nature. It has a goal to achieve, and once that's over, the project is closed out. The project is over. Whereas operational work, O for ongoing, right? Operational work is an ongoing work, daily work that needs to be done in order to support business or support business operations. So it's really important to remember that even though some of the tools and techniques that we use in project management are relevant and applicable to operational work, project management profession itself focuses on the methodology and the processes involved in getting the project done, from initiating all the way to closing. So operations versus project work. It's important also to remember that even though they're two separate things, operational work and project work do have overlaps and are sometimes in a situation where there is a relationship between them. And this is what we're talking about. So when we're doing a project, we have a temporary endeavor, we're achieving that something. Like we said, if we're developing a call center, right? The act of developing, creating, putting together that call center is a project. It has a clear end, and it definitely has a result. The goal is to have a call center set up with all of its infrastructure, layout, and everything else that's needed, right? And then we said, once that project is over, the call center operation, the operational work begins, right? So day to day, people are taking calls, addressing customer clients' needs, and all of those things. And then as that operational work is going on, they might notice that there are certain inefficiencies or that certain customer requirements are not being met in the call center. So they say, you know what, we need to reduce the percentage of calls that get abandoned, or we need to improve the speed of answer, how fast our customers get a response from us. In that case, we might have a project, in this case improvement project, that aims at reducing the average speed of answer of the calls to this call center. Now, that's a project initiated, and once the process has been re-examined, re-engineered, if any software needs to be upgraded, whatever needs to be done to improve that operation, that specific metric, once that's done, the project is over. And now we have, once again, improved different type of operations, but now once again we have operations. So from that example alone, we can see that while they're distinct, different things, operational work and project work can lead to each other, and it's clear that sometimes we have project, we complete that project, and then it transfers into operational work. So, and then we have operational work that because of whatever metrics or standards or requirements it doesn't meet the required performance, we might end up trying to improve that operation, right? Or we might want to come up with an improved product or an improved capability of that product. In that case, we have a project again until that project is complete and transferred over to operations. So it's really important to remember operational work is ongoing work, such as manufacturing, running of a help desk or a call center, and similar things of that sort that are ongoing in nature and daily. Whereas project work has beginning and an end, definitely is a temporary endeavor, and it has a specific goal. And once it achieves that goal, the project is closed out. Doesn't keep on going and going and going. Even if it transfers that deliverable into an operation, it still is closed out. Now the operation can begin.